In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your voice sound like this. This. And the one I said at the start, which is, in my opinion, the best one. Hello. So, if you haven't guessed already, this is Voicemod. It is a really good way of like voice changes, like I showed you at the start. So I'm going to be showing you how to install it in this video. Okay, so now Voicemod is removed from my computer. We're going to open Chrome, and we are going to search for Voicemod, and go to voicemod.net. You then just want to click Get Voicemod Free, and then it'll start downloading. Now it has opened, we're just going to open it, obviously. You want to start the thing. Yeah, and you just want to install it. And now we're in. I'm just going to launch Voicemod. When you start loading in, you may hear yourself a little bit, but that's fine. I've muted my desktop audio so you can't hear, just in case it does. But oh, yep, noise is happening. You just want to click Enter Voicemod, and then you will have to sign in, like using Twitch or Discord. I use Discord personally just because that was the quickest thing for me to sign into. But then you should be in, and you just want to click X here. Then select your microphone, which will be your main microphone, and select your like output. So like when you're like, oh, okay, I can hear myself, but that's fine. So like when you're want to hear yourself, you that's what the thing's gonna be coming out of. So you just want to press continue after this, and then you should, and then actually. You may have had the voice changer there, I don't know, but then this is where everything is. Before I use the voice changes, I'm going to show you best settings. So this is where you would turn on hear yourself or the voice changer. I do recommend going to settings and then going to this. And you can like change these. I don't use these, but anyway. If you go to key buttons, I definitely recommend turning that off. This is like called like this is a sensor beep. It mutes your microphone, and if I turn sound on, it makes this noise. So it's pretty cool. Background effects is like when you have something and it can have background effects. That's how it works. This mutes your mic, pretty obvious. That can like change some really important stuff, like that background noise cancellation. I turned that off. Etc. And then this is how you do it. This is really important if you ever want to like set up your mic with it. I'm going to open Discord for this. This is also what you do with OBS. So if I open my settings, I'll go to there. So we are in settings and voice and video in Discord. And if we go to input device, you would then want to select microphone, Voicemod audio device. I'm just going to skip out that. And so right now I'm going to be doing that on OBS. So now it's set up with OBS, you can now just turn on the voice changer. And it works. Magical chords is what you use this for. But yeah, that's pretty much how you set it up. And I want to thank you all very much for watching. Subscribe, like if it's worked, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.